Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio of your video in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right in. Start by clicking the project settings icon at the bottom right of the screen. This will open a settings window. Here you can manually change a resolution to fit your desired aspect ratio. For example, to switch to 16 by 9 or 9 by 16 for vertical videos. Then click on Use Vertical Resolution, then hit Save. Next, go to Inspector tab, and here you can adjust the zoom and position control to perfectly center your subject within the new frame. And that's it. Now you've successfully changed your video's aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.